go.
A flurry of activity on both sides of the field as Lady Cans rush into the neutral zone to try to reload. Full Metal Jackets lining up a shot. And we've got fuel raining into the red side of the field and on the blue side of the field. 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Drivers take control, looking to figure out what they want to do for the rest of the match. Lady Cans and Purple Rain reloading in the neutral zone, followed by their partners Mech and Cheese. Farmersville Robotics loading a bunch of fuel onto the red side alliance zone, shuttling them under the trench, throwing them over the bump. On the blue side of the field, Lady Cans trying to fill their hub, followed shortly by Purple Rain. Lady Cans making some final shots in the Blue Alliance hub as we switch over to the red side of the field. Full Metal Jackets moving to the neutral zone to recharge. Farmersville Robotics trying to line up a shot as Chain Reaction attempts to move off of their bump. Full Metal Jackets shuttling fuel over to the Red Alliance zone as Farmersville Robotics desperately tries to refill their hopper and unload some last-minute fuel into the hub as we switch over to the blue side of the field. Lady Cans taking good time to fire into the blue hub, followed by Purple Rain. Purple Rain looks like they're back over trying to refill their robot, and they take a second shot. Lady Cans following it up with some more fuel into the blue side of the hub as the shift change back over to the red side of the field. Farmersville Robotics trying not to get hung up on fuel as the human player tries to make their shots count. Lady Cans refilling quickly before the end game. Full Metal Jackets unloads their hopper. Farmersville Robotics unloads theirs as we head into the end game. Both hubs active as Lady Cans unload their entire hopper contents into the Blue Alliance hub. Mech and Cheese lining up a shot in front of the tower. Farmersville Robotics loading fuel into the Red Alliance hub. Live scoring has Blue exceeding their energized threshold. Red not quite there. See if they can catch up. 2, 1, and